So if you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, provide a short scrollable terms widget inside of Jotform, you can go ahead and then go to add element right here and then go to widget. So here you can see that there are short scrollable terms as an option. Go ahead and click, and this is what you have. So now you can see that I got the checkbox label right here. So you can go ahead and say I agree and so forth. Or I can just go ahead and say I agree right here. So whatever you actually type it in, it'll show up right there. Then the content for your particular terms, you need to go ahead and add it right here. So I'm just going to go around, and then let's say for example, I have a sample term. So I'm just going to go around over here and paste it out, paste it as plain text. So once you do that, you can see the terms and services right here. And if you want to make sure that your viewers actually read it, you can click on mark read all the text, so that when the scroll bar reaches at the bottom, then only they can agree it. So it says send content. You can send this particular content with the form when someone submits it, or set no right here. But let me just go ahead and click on send right here and click on update. And let's just go ahead and then preview out the form now. So once you go ahead and do that, here you can see the terms and instruction. I can go ahead and scroll up and down right here, just like this, and click on agree right here. Let me just go ahead and then remove the preview form right here and enable out the preview form right here, just like this as well. If I were to click on agree, it does not actually get clicked. That is because I have not read the terms. So only when I scroll it down and then I reach the end, then I can go ahead and click on I agree right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with this scrollable terms and condition widget. You can go around over here onto properties, and then around over here on the right, you can see that you can change the alignment of the particular terms and condition. You can enable and disable the label as you want right here. So let's say for example, if I were to enable, I'm just going to say terms and condition right here, just like this. And then I can change around the width and height as well. But let me just go around over here, and you can see that the label is enabled. I can go ahead and change out the label alignment as I want right here, to top, bottom, and so forth. I can go ahead and change around the width as I want as well, just like this, like to 500, and change the height right here as I want as well. Apart from that, you can make this compulsory, which you usually should do for terms and condition. You can click no if you don't want to make it compulsory right here. Well, let me just go ahead and click on yes, and under advanced, you can go ahead and add in widget name as you want. So this is the field label. You can go ahead and simply turn it into terms and condition as well. You can shrink it. You can go ahead and then duplicate this so that you can have two of these at the same time, side by side. If you don't have it side by side, you can go ahead and move it to a new line as well, and even go ahead and hide out the field right here. If you don't want it to be visible temporarily, but later you can make it visible again. Over here in the field details, you can see the terms, the unique name for it in a coding level right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and change it out as well. Well, let me just go ahead and just delete this out. Select the terms and condition, go around over here onto properties, remove the shrink, and this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, now you will be able to see the smaller size terms and condition right here, just like this. You can click on agree and submit it out as needed. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with short scrollable terms widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.